Dixie, where you at? Let's go to Doggy Land. Come on. Let's go Doggy Land. Come on. Come on. Let's get in the car. Where you at? Let's get in the car. Come here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. He says I like that. Wait a minute. We're going to get in the car. Go Doggy Land. Yeah. Go ahead. Get in. Yeah. Great girl. There's Dixie saying, hurry up. I'm looking out the window. I want to go. Doggy Land. Okay, Dixie. Where's Doggy Land? Oh, we going to Doggy Land, huh? Where is it? Just down the road. Yeah. Okay. Let's go find Doggy Land. Where is it? We're getting there. Yes, we are. Oh, are you whining and crying, huh? Yeah, well, here we are. Well, that's your favorite place. And here's Doggy Land. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, boy, she said, I'm going to go play for the day. I'm going to go play for the day. Yes, I am. Oh, what? Are you whining? Oh, look. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, we're getting there. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, be a good girl today. Get to play with your buddies. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, look. 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 There's Doggy Land. There's Doggy Land. Whoop, double fingers, sorry. Yeah, there's Doggy Land. She says that's exciting. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. We're going to go into Doggy Land. We're going to go into Doggy Land. Dixie's favorite place to play. There she is. Dixie. Is this your favorite place? She says, let me in. Let me in. I want to get in. I want to get in there. Oh, my goodness. And that's it. There's the wonderful staff, and this is her video for the day. Bye-bye.